Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz, and it is Club Unboxing Day. I'm a little late with this one, but I know you'll forgive me because you're amazing. So I have the large die of the month from Spellbinders. I've actually already done a video as part of an inspiration hop for all the clubs. I will link that video at the end of this one and in the description box below. And then this is the 3D embossing folder of the month. Here's the card that I made. And you can see in the background that 3D embossing folder is absolutely beautiful. This die set is designed to create a full panel card that has these florals in a vase. But I wanted to switch it up and show you ways to stretch those dies to get a different look from them. I added in the Fluted Classics circle here, and then just an emergency sentiment that says, "Hello, sunshine." I will also say this month, I absolutely love the clear stamp and die combo. It's got some wonderful sentiments, and I can always use a really great sentiment set. So I would definitely take a look at that. And if you're kind of thinking about dies, I also always recommend the Die Hard Club because you can combine the large die and the small die, and it's a really great bargain. Anytime you order a club, the shipping is free, and then you get 10% off all of your Spellbinders orders for the rest of the month. And if you subscribe to a club, you get this 5-day window the next month to kind of see what it is and see the inspiration, and you can decide whether or not you want that, and you can cancel that membership after you know what's coming. So keep that in mind. They're a really amazing bargain. You can see how many dies are in this large die of the month. Like, it's always huge. It's always a ton of dies and a really, really great value. I also have the quick and easy card kit of the month. Right now, I get 3 clubs from Spellbinders every month, but starting in, I think, January, I will also get the small die of the month and something new that I'm excited about, and I don't think I can tell you about yet. So keep an eye out. That is coming. This one is called Wonderful Things. So this is the November 2023 kit. It always comes with this little project sheet to give you a little bit of inspiration and tell you kind of what's in the kit. And then some samples on like how to get started and put together your first card. The kit also comes with some double-sided sticky tape and some foam squares to pop up your items. And then there are 8 A2 side folding cards and envelopes to go with it. Let's start with the patterned paper here and see what we got this month. So this is a nice like floral pattern. But this is like right up my alley. That's hard to see. It's a really subtle sort of text background. Anything with a text background, I'm a big fan. That's a nice wood grain, like a subtle wood grain. There is a little bit of gold foiling on that plaid. Some beautiful butterflies. I can already see in our solid colored cardstock, we've got a nice deep navy that I think will really help some of these images pop. That's beautiful. That is just stunning. Another wood grain. I love, there's just like a couple little gold foil pieces in here. This is going to make a really beautiful sort of focal point for my card. That'll be super easy. Another plaid. These are foxes, I think. Little foxes going both directions. I love that subtle pattern. You always get this really nice mix of like bold patterns and then some like subtle tone on tone, really great layering pieces. And I appreciate that about the kits a lot. These are maybe arrows. These look like little feathers and then arrows. I love that the gold foiling is just this sort of like spatter detail in the corners. And then a nice yellow print, some stripes. I always love stripes, and some more florals. So then we get some A2 card panels, and these are already cut down for you. It's super nice. You get typically 4 each of 5 colors. Yep, so we have navy, a burgundy. This is reading sort of red on screen, but in person it's a little more of a brownish burgundy. And then that pale yellow is absolutely beautiful. Some pale pink and some white. We have some puffy stickers. Take these out, get a good look at them. So we've got, I love actually, some of my favorite pieces are when you get like these little hearts or dots or something in the background, this cute little sweater, wild soul, fun times, dream big, happy day, brave heart. And then we've got some nice little florals and animal stickers. Like, I love this fox. That is so cute. There are some great sentiments I can kind of see happening in this kit, but I will have a video coming up where I make some emergency cards with this kit. So if you don't like the sentiments or you don't feel like there's enough sentiments, that is certainly an option. And then I will link to the emergency card kit playlist with the free downloads at the end of this video as well. We have some chipboard stickers. Let's see if I can find the bottom. And we've got, this is like little layering pieces. You've actually got a whole bunch of different stickers in there. So many wonderful things wait together. This life, good times, remember, amazing, wonderful, beautiful. You bring joy to my life each and every day. This color right here with the gold foil, I love. Good things are coming. Delight in the little things. Perfect. Our story. This warms my heart. Live a life that is wild and free. Each day brings a new adventure. Find quiet moments and embrace their extraordinary wonder. I love that one. That's beautiful. That sentiment is, yeah, that makes me happy. Then we have some more like glossy puffy stickers with sentiments. So simply lovely, our adventure, so sweet, happy heart, days you have my together. And then I love all of these little glossy, they're almost like enamel pieces, but they're like puffy stickers though. They are squishy. I love that. That's beautiful. I will use a ton of those. We have some copper, yeah, like a copper sequin mix, and there's a bunch of them in there. And then we have our die cut pieces. So anytime you get these kits, there is just an absolutely enormous pack of ephemera, little die cut pieces with gold foil accents. And when I go through these, I tend to organize by category. So there's always some animals. There's always some like, well, there's always food. And I appreciate that a lot. There are always some florals. So that's food. Look at this. I love this. There's this sort of rustic gold foil detail in that rainbow. That is stunning. These feathers are really beautiful. And then I also organize for like little scene building pieces. So this one is very sort of naturey, rusticy. There's really beautiful stuff in here. Some books, and you know I love books. I am here for that one. We'll put that maybe with scene building. Look at those. Like these little boots with the floral details. And there's a bunch of little pieces too. I like when you get a good mix of sizes so you can do a lot of different things. That's just like a wood grain sort of background detail piece. And I love that. You pop that up, create a little dimension. We have a fox. Look at that mandala. That's stunning. I will definitely be using that one. So we'll put that in the sort of top picks pile. This looks like a little dahlia and it's really beautiful. That's amazing. This deep blue floral, this is now my favorites pile right here. Look at these butterflies. Oh my God. Yep, more of those blue flowers. That sort of like primary blue, that's a happy place for me. That butterfly is stunning. Got more florals. I'm not going to go through all of them. I will link to all of the kits below, but definitely for this one, when you look on that page that has the club kits, they will lay out all of the ephemera for you so you can kind of look and see what they have. I think that's beautiful. And if we put like a little emergency sentiment on that, yep, we'll make a couple probably with that. What else is under here that we haven't seen yet? That's cute. Definitely a favorite. And then we've got a coffee cup and a typewriter, and we'll definitely use those. Probably, probably the doubles. You get 2 each of these pieces. Look at this little, okay, porcupine or hedgehog. Maybe Danny's watching. She knows. I don't know the difference. I mean, I do in person, but on a little die cut something. I'm going to guess porcupine because I've seen hedgehogs. My sister used to have hedgehogs, and they didn't look like that. All right. Anything else that's like really standing out to me? There's some huge floral pieces, and they all, like a bunch of these have kind of the same feel. So you could go around the edges of your card, and then draw the eye to the focal point in the center as well. There's a little rustic ruler, some beautiful birds. I like this guy. He's great. Okay. Well, I think we'll sort of leave it at that. Oh, a whole bunch of stamps. Nope, can't stop yet. Anyway, I will link to everything below. Thank you so much for spending your time with me and digging through this kit with me. I'm excited to start creating, and I will see you a little later in the month for my next video.